number one tips for you when you are getting your home ready for an open home or for the photographer to come and take photos is really think about what the photographer would see and anything that the photo would pick up. That's why we always go try and say use neutrals. Neutrals are really good to just tone down a space. The other thing that we've learned very, very early on is to give your bedding a good iron. All right, so you can really invest in this. If you have a really cheap one that doesn't really take crinkles or creases out of your bed, out of your bedding, then invest in one that can actually put some steam through your material, your fabric, so that it gets those creases out. Creases show up on photos and the photographer can't always take out all those different, creases. All right, now you don't have to take your bedspread off. We do it the cheat way. And the way that we do it is we get the iron nice and hot, make sure it's suitable for the fabric that you've got. Then you just basically place the iron on the bed and then you just pull away from yourself. All right, and make sure that you get all those different creases. I go in different directions as well, depending on what actually takes the creases out more. You also don't have to remove all your cushions. I normally just go underneath, a little bit underneath, so that you don't see the creases anymore, but focus on the areas that you actually can see with your visible eye. Make sure you don't forget the sides of the bed or the front of the bed. If your door is facing, like at the moment the bedroom door is facing on the other side, opposite side of me, then you don't have to spend too much time on the side where no one's really going to see it. All right, don't forget your pillows, your regular pillows. You don't have to remove the covers, same as with your bedding. Basically just iron straight on top. Again, press down nice and firm. Make sure you get all the corners, all the edges that is going to be seen on a photo, as well as what buyers would see when they go to your open home. Then I give it a nice shake so that your inner or your insert fills out all the edges and the ends. Okay, and then pull it straight like that and place it back. Beautiful. And then just push all your cushions back. There you go. So that is really a very important thing to think about. What can be seen with a camera, and hide also your cables with your side table lamps. Hide them so that, you don't really see them on the photos.
Thank you for watching our video.
If you liked it, please press thumbs up.
Yeah, and please share with all your friends, buddies, whoever you think will benefit from this video.
And if you click subscribe, you will see more of these amazing tips and tricks on how to actually style and decorate your home.
Yeah. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll try and make a video to answer your questions for you.
Yeah. Have a good day.